questions we get to are the DIY or do-it-yourself packages that we've seen. And well, I really can't say I can comment on a lot of those because I haven't gone through, I haven't undertaken to do it. I can tell you this, I've probably reviewed 4 or 5 very lengthy, what are supposed to be comprehensive packages that people produced online. One of the things we do here is review people's current estate plans to see whether or not they are accurate, if they're need to be updated, or if they just have changes they want us to review and discuss them with us. And I have gone through, and some of these packages are voluminous, and probably 90% of those documents are not material documents. It's fluff. It's just going to cause a lot of confusion. But one of the things that we found, almost every single one of them, when we've gone through, and really I'm just reviewing it, reading it, asking, is this what you meant? Is this what you wanted? Is this what you intended? None of them have been accurate. Now, it's a little bit confusing because these people are supposedly filling it out themselves, but I think the confusion lies in they don't know what they're filling out. They don't know what roles, like a power of attorney, a medical patient advocate, a trustee, a conservator, an executor. These can be very confusing. And if you're not sitting with someone who can actually explain it to you, give you real life examples, or talk to you about what the role is going to be, what it entails, then there's no way they can make sound, quality decisions of who to put in these places and what plans to give them to follow. So I've got to say, I've yet to see anybody successfully complete a good, solid, do-it-yourself package that did not need to either have significant changes or be completely rewritten. The only thing I would say is be very, very careful. You need to know what you're doing, because once you have this in place and you sign it, it's going to be enforced, whether it's the way you want it or not. So you need to make sure it is exactly the way you want.